The 2026 Acura MDX is quietly known as one of the hardest vehicles in the luxury SUV segment to fit seat covers to correctly. But here is what people get wrong. They assume a cover that fits an RDX or a Pilot will transfer over. It does not. The MDX has deeply contoured bolsters, unlike the flatter seats in most German SUVs. Side airbags deploying through precisely located FMV SS-specified seam zones, multifunction lumbar controls that move the seat surface, and 3 full rows to cover. Get any one of those wrong, and the cover either gaps or compresses exactly the wrong zone. The catch? Fits Acura is not the same as patterned for the MDX. That is where dedicated patterning matters most. In our testing, Seat Cover Solutions patterns the MDX separately from every other Acura in the lineup, airbag safe, fitting technology through Type S Advance. The hardest fit in the segment deserves a cover built only for it.